It did need some interior work. It's an older station, as you can imagine.
Work to renovate Frisco Fire Station 2 will soon get underway.
Pretty much all the station is being touched one way or another. The station was built in '97. This station has served us well. It's constantly running. They're busy. It's just due for an expansion.
The renovation of Fire Station 2 will update it, inside and out. Plus, the overhaul gives firefighters needed space for equipment and specialty space, including a decontamination room.
We're going to add a decon room and a storm shelter for the firefighters. We're also going to add an enclosed climate-controlled workout room. We're going to have a cascade system, which will allow the firefighters to fill their own air bottles at their own fire station. Also, basically a commercial washing machine, we call it an extractor, which will allow them to wash their own bunker gear at their own station.
The dorm room will be updated to give the firefighters individual bedrooms.
This is the current dorm room.
The kitchen will be refreshed, and each shift will have its own refrigerator and pantry.
This will kind of function as a training area and a dining area with a large TV right here.
During construction, firefighters will stay on site to respond to emergencies.
This is the temporary housing, if you will, for the firefighters at Station 2.
The trailer sits behind the fire station, while the fire engine and ambulance will stay in the bays.
It's still running an engine and an ambulance out of this station. Firefighters are still responding from this location, just in a different building.
The project will take about a year to finish, and Station 2 firefighters are ready for it to begin.
We've been waiting on this for a long time, so they know it's close. We're all itching to get started.